Innovation has become a necessity in our life. Intertwined with the fabric of modern lifestyle, innovation is an inevitable ingredient in modern society. Whether it is transportation, telecommunications, healthcare, security, education, almost every segment of society thrives from innovation. And to consolidate, coordinate, and orchestrate effectively these innovations, we need smart governance. Now in its 9th year, the Department of Science and Technology, Philippine Council for Industry, Energy, and Emerging Technology Research and Development, or Dost Pcieerd, is putting the spotlight on innovations in smart governance. With the government's thrust on transparency and accountability, Dost Pcieerd is introducing a wide variety of technological innovations that guarantee a more efficient way of serving the people. On transportation, the contactless apprehension for traffic violations or catch-all project seeks to ease traffic congestion through an AI-enabled software that monitors, detects, and reports traffic violators on the road. The Local Traffic Simulator, or Local Sim, meanwhile gives road and traffic engineers more room to breathe with a decision support system for traffic simulation and management. The UP Smart Bike Sharing System allows registered students to borrow bicycles which they can use to move around the vast campus of UP Diliman. Charging electronic tricycles and other electronic vehicles are now much more convenient through the development of the Rapid Charging E-Vehicle Station, or CHARM, that replenishes their energy the quickest way possible. The Hybrid Electric Train, a locomotive that runs on a diesel generator and electric batteries. The Hybrid Electric Train addresses transportation problems in the country by providing a safe, reliable, and more convenient mass transportation system. On environmental protection, groundwater monitoring has been modernized through automated and real-time monitoring. Through various sensors, data logging, and telemetry equipment, the local government units can now effectively manage their groundwater reservoir. Concentrations as well as contaminants and heavy metals in Laguna Lake are now closely monitored. The Synergistic Capacity Advancement of Laguna Lake program enables government agencies and local government units to get updated and relevant data on the Laguna Lake and on how it could affect the surrounding community. Effective water resource management has been enabled with Pcieerd's multi-platform and cross-sensor water quality monitoring. The system enables water quality mapping and assessment by the use of satellites and unmanned aerial systems. On housing and infrastructure, maintaining structural integrity for buildings and bridges has been made easier through the Universal Structural Health Evaluation and Recording, or USHER system. The USHER system provides sensors to assess structural damages immediately after earthquakes. Pcieerd also created the Human Settlements Development Model that formulates a platform or software on how settlements develop and to name potential new growth areas in the country based from identified growth drivers that subsequently projects the corresponding housing requirements. On disaster risk reduction, local government units in the Zamboanga Peninsula are quickly informed of impending floods through the automated water level monitoring using real-time observation, or Alerto system. The system monitors critical water levels and rain data on rivers and interprets it into categories of high, medium, and low. The Remote Sensing and Data Science, or DATOS Help Desk, meanwhile provides maps and other information for disaster risk reduction applications through the use of computing technology advancements that puts forward an advanced, quick, and reliable overall disaster management system for Filipinos. Locating and identifying air, sea, and land vehicles to as much as 33 kilometers away is now possible through the Futuristic Aviation and Maritime Enterprise Incorporated, or FAME. FAME produces a system of transponders that monitors general aviation aircrafts and small boats in real time by the use of long-range tracking devices. The Local Automatic Identification System, or AIS, is a low-cost locator intended for domestic ships 300 GT and higher. On education, 21st Century Learning modernizes classrooms, equipping them with facilities designed for mobility and connectivity to promote collaborative teaching and learning that supports student-centered active learning. With a mobile app, residents are immediately alerted if there's fire in their home through the fire luminosity and multi-sensory equipment, or FLAME. On food safety, the grading system for food service establishments is an inspection and grading system that equips sanitary inspectors in determining compliance and frequency of monitoring of commissaries.
Fueled with a determination to bring innovation into local governance, the Philippine Council for Industry, Energy and Emerging Technology Research and Development is driven to take the lead in enabling technologies towards smart governance. We are committed to make the lives of Filipinos more efficient, smarter, and happier through science, technology, and innovation.
With the continuing rise of modern technology, smart governance can build on the foundation laid by the principles of good governance. Dost Pcieerd will continue in its quest of bringing smart governance closer to the people. Pcieerd, enabling technologies towards smart governance.